The next box to be opened, it is this one. So let us open it together and see what surprises we got in. So here we have a die-cast model Formula 1 Pepsi Cola or Pepsi Diet Pepsi plus 4 Transit Diet Pepsi. So this one, it is from an American die-cast manufacturer. As you can see here, Golden Wheel from USA. So this model is fabricated in China, but the company, it is Golden Wheel from USA. So these two models are from Golden Wheel Diecast. Here you can find their website, Golden Wheel Diecast, and this is a special edition. You can see here also the logo evolution of Pepsi Cola. So very funny how it was in 1903, and then it has become like this. Then 1907, much beautiful, much practicable. 1940, and this is 1943, 1963, coming to 1971 here. Then 1990, it is like this. In 1995, it becomes the common Pepsi, which we know right now. So this model, as I said, it is made in China, but the company or the corporate, it's belong to Golden Wheel Die Casting here. So here, as you can see, this is Golden Wheel, as you can see here, and this is Ford Transit van 1999. So this is my first time to know about Golden Wheel Diecast. And the next car, we have seen it before in one episode, in one of our episodes of Let Us Open a Box. This is Pepsi Series 200, right? And this is a Ford Model A or A, Model A, scale 1:60 from Majorette, and this is made in Thailand, I think. Yeah, made in Thailand. The next model, it is also a model of Pepsi Cola by Majorette, Chevy 57. Here, this is a Corvette 58 from Chevrolet, made by or fabricated by Majorette also, or distributed by Majorette, and made in Thailand. This is a Series 200. And the last model in this small box, it is a Ford Transit van or pickup with the Formula 1, both Pepsi Cola, Series 300, and it is made in Thailand. The last box which we will open in this episode, it is this one. So here we have some special models from Japan. We got here, I don't know Japanese, so let us open one by one. it is made in China, but these are Japanese models. First we got here truck. This model is from Tomica, and here this is a logo of the transport company Yamato. This is a Japanese transport company, which it is listed under Yamato Holdings, one of the largest Japanese transport or largest door-to-door delivery service companies. So here our model, the bottom is in plastic. Here these pieces are in plastic. Okay, this is metal, this is metal also, and this is metal, and very heavy model. And by the way, this is also very rare. The door can be opened. Awesome model from Tomica. The next model here, Korenikyo Yamato. Okay. So this is our model here, or our second model. The Japanese cars always very strange, but awesome. So the door here can be opened, as you can see. The doors can be opened here from backside, but it is very fragile, as you can see. The good things in this model is that this door can be opened with this way. You can see. Awesome, as we know, always from Tomica. The driver's seat is from the right side. Our next model here, it is closed and very heavy. I don't know if you want me to open it, but I will do for my followers. As usually, I want always to share content with you, because this is the purpose of our museum, to share our love to this hobby with all lovers. So here from Tomica again, an awesome model of Yamato, an awesome model of Yamato Transport. It can be opened from this area like this. Wow, really beautiful. And this small model, it is very heavy, and it can be opened also from here. I don't have nails. I'm trying my best to open it without damaging the things. As you can see here, this is your model from backside. Awesome finishing. The doors are from plastic. The doors are from plastic, and this one, it is from metal. Yamato, again, Yamato Transport. Our next model, it is a similar model to this one, or yes, this is second item. The difference between both models, it is this one is not having anything written in the backside. Okay, here also, and this one, it is having some publicity or some marks here, and also in this area. So this one is having here and here, but other one, nothing. Then also you have the differences of the this publicity and the markings. Here it is W8010 and here N8010. So this is the main difference between both models. However, we will open it to see it together, even it is closed. Straight, yes, an awesome model. So it's different from other one. Even the size is different. So this is a big truck and this is a small one. So you have these two models. The difference, this one is N8010 and other one it is W8010. And you can see the difference clearly here. Both can be opened from backside and from the left side. These are very rare items which will be displayed in your museum. Difference between these two models, this is hybrid and this I don't know what's written here, both from Tomica, and the models really are heavy, like, as I can feel here.